Auntie Sophie, see, I made your hair just like mine. Yes?
Where is the mother of this baby? Does she not want to know if the child is eating or drinking anything?
It's okay, Louis. It's cute that Julie doesn't care. I get to spend time with our sweet little Alex.
What if you weren't here, Sophie? Who would take care of the house and the baby?
Enough, Louis. I know how to take care of this house.
But what about the baby?
What do you want, Louis? I'm a sad widow. Give me that consideration at least.
Sure, take this. This is the final copy of the will. Alex.
What rubbish is this?
The compound facing the main door is the only possession written off to Julie.
I think Joseph uncle meant the dog Julie.
Alex, Richie is well settled in Dubai. If you ever consider selling this house, do consider my situation.
I'm not selling this house until you are getting married, Mr. Louis Joseph.
Then you're never selling it, Mr. Alex Verghese.
Say bye, Lord. Alex? Julie? Actually, Alex and I have a gynecologist appointment. We'll be back in an hour. Yeah. Can you make sure that Arun will drink some milk? Alex, be quick.
Alex? Key! What is it, Alex? Why is Sophie still trying for a baby? Am I not enough for you? Is Arun not enough?
Julie, leave my shirt. I have to go.
You promised me that you would take care of me after Lenore.
Julie, not when Sophie is still around, Julie.
Sophie? What am I then, Alex? Huh?
Alex? Getting out?
What do you want, Chaco? What is it? Please don't waste my time.
I won't take your time. I just came here to draw
This bottle? I've been looking everywhere for this bottle. Thanks.
Why, Julie? Aren't the rats of this house dead yet?
Why would you say that, Chaco?
I'm coming here from Raju's jewelry shop. He told me everything.
Raju? How's Raju? It's been so long since I've seen Raju around.
First Amma, then Appa, and then Lenore. It's established that you do anything for money.
What are you saying? I don't have time for all this. I have to take care of
You told me everything. And the worst feeling is knowing that I'm actually responsible for this town losing 3 of its souls. Should have never helped when I bring you into this family. Just for you to ruin it.
Chaco, what do you want?
What?
I mean, why are you having this conversation with me when you could be telling everything to Liji and Louis? So tell me, Chaco, what do you want?
Well, you know, with all the new matrimony apps and finance.
Say it.
5 lakhs. And that includes covering from Sophie what I sorted.
1 lakh.
4.5.
1 lakh.
4 fixed.
Chaco, 4 lakhs is a bit too much. Especially when I'm struggling here as a single woman. And don't you want someone to have a peck with and do so much more? You've been alone for so long. You deserve to have me. So tell me, Chaco, how much money do you need?
Nothing. I'll just take this bottle with me.
Not this bottle. I'll be needing it soon. Chaco, wait. I'll drop you. And I'll help you cross the road also.
It's fine, Julie. I'll go.
Come on. Putties now. Let me help you.
Julie, tonight at 10, I'll be waiting for you.
You want me tonight itself, Chaco?
Why wait for such opportunities? Wait, no, wait, Julie!
Why are you all looking at me like that? He brought that upon himself. He was never on my to-do list, especially in bed. How does he possibly get it on with that broken leg of his? Alex, stop trying. Sophie will not have a baby. Alex, what do you need? Babies, right? Look at me. You want 1 baby, you want 2 babies. We'll fill this house with babies, Alex.
I need 4.
4 it is then. Listen, Lois can help with the divorce procedures and get it over with it at the earliest.
Divorce? No. I cannot divorce Sophie. I cannot leave Sophie to another man. I promised her parents, Julie.
You're a man, Alex. The promises? Honestly, it's fine. Think about you. What do you want? Don't you want this entire house to yourself, but with no kids and a lunatic wife? No. But instead, you have me, giving you everything that you've ever wanted.
Julie, we cannot have anything going on between us as long as Sophie is around.
Then let's kill Sophie!
You've got to be kidding me, Julie.
No. Actually, my brain likes to think that the easiest way to get rid of someone is to kill them. I mean, wait. Why is it not legal yet?
Julie, have you gone nuts? Are you even hearing yourself?
No one will know. No one will doubt that you had anything to do with it. I mean, imagine. Sophie Alex died due to imbalance in medication. Sophie Alex died of the remorse of not being enough for her husband. Oh, Taduk. Sophie Alex died because she was tired of being gone in the head. I can go on and on and on.
Killing someone is not as easy as you're thinking it is, Julie.
Can you leave that to me, Alex? I'll take care of Sophie for us. Trust me.
Julie, this can't be happening. I cannot do this to Sophie. I cannot begin to explain to you how much her family loves me, Julie. You tell me, how can I do this to her?
We will never know that you had something to do with it. Alex, just trust me.
Julie, it is enough now. I'm leaving and no one can know. Liji. Julie, Liji is here. Liji, what a pleasant surprise. Didn't see you coming there. Is your husband not with you?
No, Alex. I came back here for personal matters. Julie, are you not going to acknowledge my presence?
Liji! My Liji! Look! Lenoy left me with this child alone.
Alex, can you go inside? I need to have a talk with Julie.
Alex! Please feed Arumol milk. Thank you.
Julie, I need to ask you something.
Is it what I want from Dubai? Okay, first of all, I'll be needing a...
Not that! Why would Lenoy commit suicide?
He had lots of debts from his family and the people of this town.
Why didn't you tell that to anyone in the house?
He told me.
I said in the house.
Liji, I've been seeing this attitude of yours. Like I'm some outsider.
A postmortem was conducted on Lenoy. It says cyanide was consumed with kadla curry and rice. If that's the case, Julie, then you should have been aware. Because you were right here when Sophie walked on Lenoy's dead body.
You conducted a post-mortem on my husband without my permission! Wait. Liji, you were abroad when all of this happened. Who helped you with this?
Chaco uncle did. I'm coming back from the hospital. Uncle is admitted. He met with an accident. And he didn't die. Who knows if it wasn't planned against him?
I don't want to talk to you. You can't open my husband's body.
You find that true, Julie? And Lenoy is my brother. I have lost a mother, a father, and a brother. If we start comparing losses, it will never be equal. So tell me, what did you do to my brother? Tell me, Julie. Tell me, Julie, what did you do to my brother?
What is happening here? Julie, what is this?
Liji is accusing me of killing my own Lenoy.
Liji, what proof do you have against all of this?
Alex, right now I have no proof.
Liji, stop. Look how innocent she looks. There's a baby in the house, Liji. At least thinking all about that, please don't talk anymore.
Okay, Alex, I won't talk anymore. But be careful.
Hello? Yeah? Yeah, I'll come down. I'm gonna be there. Yeah. I'm just coming. Are you alright?
No, Alex. I need you. As my husband. There's no one to defend me against these false accusations. I swear on this child, Alex. If I don't have you, this kid and Julie Laurie Thomas will be the next friends to hang on the Alan's wall.
Don't say that, no. I'm coming back now. I'm coming back and we'll find a way through out of all this.
Promise.
I promise you. Promise. The call was from the hospital, Julie. See, they asked me to come down immediately. I have to. I'm coming, okay? Miss me.
Julie, this is the right time to get rid of Sophie.
Alex will never be convinced, so just kill. Alex will get used to it later. Then he'll marry you.
Remember, the house is written under Alex and his wife. It's not that late to be the wife. these days. Anything I eat, I'm just not even able to eat properly. And all of these medications the doctor gave, I don't know if they're working.
I have a medicine for you. It will help you sleep well.
Then I'll consult my doctor.
No. No need to consult the doctor. Just take it.
I am sure I'll feel fine. But
Just take it, Sophie. I'll take it. Hello? It's
Hello,
me.
Julie, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, Alex, I can hear you.
Julie, the reports were misplaced. Sophie is finally pregnant. Julie, listen, don't tell her yet, okay? I'm coming right back. I want to surprise her. I'm coming, okay, Julie? I'm cutting the call now. Bye, I'm cutting the call.
who was it?
Huh? It was Alex. He was asking about you. How cute, no? And also, he told me that you should take those medicines. Okay? So, take it from me. Just take it. For me, for us, for me, and Alex.
Sophie! Sophie!